In today's video, I'm going to teach you Instagram's music library often misses songs due to regional licensing, professional account restrictions, or app glitches. Switch to a personal account and troubleshoot to restore full access. If you've ever tried to add a track to a story or reel and it just wasn't there, you're not alone. A big reason is account type. So professional accounts, both business and creator, can have a limited music selection due to licensing. Personal accounts usually see a broader library. We'll switch to a personal account, refresh the app, and then check the music tool so you can access more tracks again. Start by opening Instagram and going to your profile. Tap the three lines in the top right to open the menu, then choose Settings and Privacy. Scroll to Account Type. Here, tap Switch to Personal Account and confirm. Don't worry, this doesn't delete your posts or followers. It simply changes which features you have access to. While you're on a personal account, certain professional tools like advanced insights and branded content features may be limited, but you can switch back later at any time. Next, completely close Instagram so it isn't running in the background, then reopen it. This quick reset helps Instagram refresh your entitlements and often resolves the music library issue immediately. Now, test it, create a story, or start a reel, open the music tool and search again. You should notice a much larger catalog, including popular tracks that were missing before. If you still don't see a particular song, it may be due to regional licensing, which varies by country and is outside your control. But for most people, switching to a personal account dramatically expands what's available. If you prefer professional features, you can switch back later using the same account type screen. The good news is that once your library expands on a personal account, that access often sticks even after you return to a professional account. It's not guaranteed, but many users report the change persisting. To recap the flow you just did, switch to a personal account, confirm, force close Instagram, reopen, and check the music tool in stories or reels. That's the simplest, most reliable way to restore broader music access without changing anything else. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Instagram tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.